Welcome to our power supply showdown. Today, we will be comparing two popular power supplies, the Thermaltake Smart BX1 and the MSI MAG A850GL. We will dive into their features, specifications, and what sets them apart. Whether you are building a budget PC or a high-performance gaming rig, this comparison will help you make an informed decision. When it comes to efficiency, the MSI MAG A850GL stands out with its 80+ gold certification, ensuring better energy efficiency compared to the Thermaltake Smart BX1, which is rated at 80+ bronze. This means that the MSI model will waste less power and generate less heat, making it a more efficient choice for high-performance systems. In terms of modularity, the MSI MAG A850GL offers a fully modular design, allowing users to connect only the cables they need, which helps in reducing cable clutter and improving airflow within the case. On the other hand, the Thermaltake Smart BX1 is a non-modular power supply, meaning all cables are fixed, which can lead to a messier setup. Lastly, let's talk about warranty. The MSI MAG A850GL comes with an impressive 10-year warranty, providing peace of mind for users investing in a high-performance power supply. In contrast, the Thermaltake Smart BX1 offers a 5-year warranty, which is still decent but not as extensive as what MSI provides. In conclusion, the Thermaltake Smart BX1 is a solid choice for budget-conscious users looking for a reliable power supply, while the MSI MAG A850GL is tailored for gamers and enthusiasts who demand higher efficiency, modularity, and a longer warranty. Make sure to consider your specific needs when choosing between these two power supplies. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.